So now we are going to see that what is the nature of light. Matter. Matter composed of particles like electron, proton and neutron. We all know. So does light also consist of the particles like electron, proton and neutron? So Newton, a scientist, in one of his book called Newton's Optics, he told light as stream of invisible particles. And with the help of his theory that light consists of stream of invisible particles, Newton was able to explain the phenomenon like reflection and refraction of light. But he was not able to explain the phenomenon of light like diffraction, interference and polarization. So the phenomenon like reflection and refraction was explained by the theory given by the Newtons, but the phenomenon like diffraction, interference and polarization was not explained by the theory given by Newton. So later a new theory comes into play called corpuscular theory. And in corpuscular theory, light was considered as group of particles. And later we say these particles as photons. So scientist was assuming light as particle before having the knowledge of any kind of electromagnetic wave. Later wave theory comes into play, and now we know that light is actually an electromagnetic wave. And an electromagnetic wave has dual nature. So sometimes light behave like particles called photon, or sometimes it behaves like wave. So when it behaves like particle, so we are able to explain the phenomenon like reflection and refraction. And when electromagnetic wave, we treat it as wave, then we can explain the phenomenon like diffraction, interference and polarization. One question that comes in mind, that can we see light? Yes or no? The answer is no. We cannot see light. Light is invisible. We only experience or felt the effect of light, because light is an electromagnetic wave and we cannot see a non-mechanical wave. Our eyes converts this energy into information which our brain converts into images. It is the image which we see. What I want to say that, see, for example, between this pen and my eye there is light, but I am not able to see that light. What I am able to see? I am am able to see the pen, my hand, and this white sheet. I am able to see all these things with the help of light, but I cannot see light, and therefore we can only see object with the help of light. We cannot see the light actually. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. Let us consider a dark room in which I have switched on the torch. Then light will go, and some of you will think this is the light which I am seeing. The answer is no. What we see a phenomenon here, and that's called scattering. See, here air particles and dust are present, and due to which they scatter the light. And what actually we see here? We see here a phenomenon called scattering of light. We actually are not seeing any light here. If we will switch on a torch in vacuum, then we will not able to see this stream of particles. I think your concept is clear. So light is invisible. We cannot see light. We see objects with the help of light.